Right now, we are about to go on the scrambler. I'm kind of nervous, actually, with Eric. Hi. Okay, here we go. Okay, right now, we just got on the Ferris wheel, and we're about to go. See? Ferris wheel.
This is going to get really high and fast. And there's Mr. Sunquist.
Say hi to Dad.
Hi! This is the view. Hi!
Okay.
Oh, we're almost at the top. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, there's...
If you're afraid of heights, close your eyes for a moment.
Okay, don't do that anymore. I'm going to jump.
It was rained out. Very unfortunate. As you can see, it's raining. And there's a giant storm coming. Very sad. Say goodbye to the park. There's a giant slide.